One is state. What do we understand by state? अरे तुम्हें तो पता है, जाओ बाकी नए बच्चे. Yes, yes. A nation. And anyone else? He said a nation. Anyone else? Any idea what do we mean by state? अरे guess freely. Nobody know anything. But yes, population and territory. Okay. Anything else? Laws. Okay. Laws. Okay. Is it political? Okay. Political. He is saying one element we are missing in all this thing. The element of sovereignty. Say for example, this class. Can we call this class a state? If I apply your definition, we have a population here. We have a defined territory. We have laws here also. I'm teaching you. You are supposed to study and all. We have laws also here. Decorum has to be maintained. Nobody will slang anyone unnecessarily. Okay? You can slap each other if required, but not slanging. That's too much. So the thing is, we have law, we have territory, we have population, but still we does not have one thing, that is sovereign here.